Does anybody know what these things are? I think they were left here by the railroad. They open up. I'm not going to open them. So, I'm keeping my eye open. This time of year I look across the trail for ant caravans, and this is about the time of year when the ant wars take place, and I'd really like to see one this year. I haven't followed one to the battle site for a long time, but down here in eastern Iowa, the red and black ants are larger, and it's a pretty interesting dynamic to see them. You'll see them go across the trail. Sometimes you'll see the red ants carrying a black ant in its mandible. They're latched. Both of them are latched to each other. And the black ant is curled up and just taking a ride to wherever the red ant's taking them. It's just a pretty cool thing to see. And then you'll see them carrying eggs as well. And red and black ants traveling together to wherever they're going to raid another hill. But you don't see them unless they're crossing a trail or a roadway like this. And then you have to follow where it's going, where they're all leading to. Alright, well, we're about 4.3 miles back to where we started. We just passed the sundown area, and now we're heading back to Bud Road, and it's pretty high bluffs that will be on the left this time. Look at these vines, they're growing thick this year. kind of a pretty area back there. It's just kind of swept back into the cliffs. Some of these trees are really, really tall. I mean, amazing how tall they are. Some tall bluffs here, and you can see on the left there's that tall pillar there again, and there's more. Some more, not very stratified, that rock. Friendly people on the road, on the trail. So this trail is divided up, the one I took today, into 4 sections. We've just completed 2 and have 2 left. This is Bud Road again. This next section is about 2.5 miles long, and then the section after that is 1.3 to 1.4 miles is the last section. The 7-mile marker. So it's 3.3 to 3.4 miles back to our starting place. large bluff over there, a cliff. And trees growing right out of it. This is the repaired section. You see where the water ran over there. So all the aquifers and wells in Iowa are probably brimming full. Just like the rivers and the lakes. Well, I'll turn off my camera down here. Put my camera on the helmet so you can see what I see. I'm going to turn my camera off here. Let's look here. But